Hello, in this question it is asked pH of solution of H2SO4 is 1. Assume complete ionization, find the molarity of H2SO4 solution. Now we know that H2SO4 is a strong acid. So if it is a strong acid, dissociation has to be 100%. Alpha is nearly or equal to 1. So 1 mole of H2SO4 dissociate to give us 2 moles of H plus ions. It is given that the pH of the solution is 1. H plus ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus pH, so that this becomes 0.1. So if the concentration or the molarity of H plus is 0.1 molar, then definitely molarity of H2SO4 will be half of that, which is 0.05 molar. Hence for this question answer is C. Next, question number 21, it says pH of a strong dry protic acid H2A at concentration 10 raised to power minus 4 molar and second at concentration 10 raised to power minus 4 normal. In the first case, I think concentration is given in molarity, so there is no need to change. So it is 10 raised to power minus 4 molar. It is also said it's a strong diprotic acid, which means dissociation again is 100%. So the concentration of H plus will be twice of H2A concentration. So H plus concentration is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4. How do we define pH? Negative log of H plus ion concentration, that becomes 4 minus log 2, which is 3.7. Now in case 2, they have given the concentration as normality. Right, and for a monoprotic acid it would have been same normality and molarity, but it's diprotic, so first we convert normality into molarity. And how do we do that? With the formula normality is equal to molarity into n factor. Since there are two replaceable hydrogens, the n factor for this acid is 2, so molarity of solution is this. And again from the equation we can see, from the reaction we can see that 1 mole of H2A gives us 2 moles of H plus. So moles of H plus will be 2 times this. So this becomes 10 raised to power minus 4. That's a concentration of H plus taking log and negative log. So we get pH is equal to 4. Hence for this question answer is A.